If you're looking to build stronger, firmer, and rounder glutes, you've landed on the perfect video. Whether you're starting your fitness journey or leveling up your workouts, today's is all about sculpting the perfect glutes, not just for aesthetics, but for strength, posture, and performance too. In this video, I'll guide you through the 5 best glute targeting exercises that will give you noticeable results in just 30 days. We'll also dive into how the glute muscles work, common mistakes people make, tips on form, reps, sets, and recovery. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Understanding the glutes. Before jumping into the workouts, let's understand the anatomy. Your glutes consist of 3 muscles. Gluteus maximus, the largest, responsible for hip extension and shape. Gluteus medius, stabilizes the hips and supports balance. Gluteus minimus, works with the medius for hip stabilization. Strong glutes support your spine, improve your posture, enhance athletic performance, and prevent injury. All right, time to activate those glutes. Exercise 1. Hip thrusts, the glute builder king. Why it works. This is the #1 exercise for maximum glute activation. How to do it. Sit on the ground with your upper back against a bench. Roll a barbell or place a dumbbell over your hips. Start with body weight, if new. Plant your feet, shoulder width apart, knees bent. Drive through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower back down. Do 3 or 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Pro tips. Keep your chin tucked. Don't overextend your back. Use resistance bands above your knees for added glute engagement. Exercise 2. Bulgarian split squats, single leg sculptor. Why it works. Targets each glute individually. Great for balance and depth. How to do it. Stand a few feet in front of a bench. Place the top of your rear foot on the bench. Lower your body down until your front thigh is parallel to the ground. Drive through your front heel to return up. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. Pro tips. Lean slightly forward to emphasize the glutes. Use dumbbells to increase difficulty over time. Exercise 3. Romanian deadlifts, glute and hamstring strength. Why it works. Excellent for strengthening and lengthening the glutes. How to do it. Hold a pair of dumbbells or a barbell in front of your thighs. Keep a soft bend in the knees. Hinge at the hips, lowering the weights down your legs. Squeeze your glutes to return to standing. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Pro tips. Keep your back straight and core engaged. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings at the bottom. Exercise 4. Step-ups. Functional and glute-focused. Why it works. Simple and effective for targeting glutes and building strength. How to do it. Use a bench or a sturdy platform. Step 1 foot up and drive through the heel to lift your body up. Step back down and repeat with the other leg. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. Pro tips. Focus on squeezing your glute at the top. Keep your torso upright for proper form. Exercise 5. Glute kickbacks, isolation move. Why it works. Isolates the glutes and helps tone and shape them. How to do it. Body weight or cable machine. Start on all 4s. Lift one leg up and back, squeezing your glute. Lower and repeat before switching legs. 3 sets of 15 reps per leg. Pro tips. Keep your core tight. Don't overarch your lower back. Bonus. Glute activation warm-up, 5 to 10 minutes. Before the main workout, do exercises like glute bridges, banded lateral walks, donkey kicks. These wake up the glutes to ensure full activation. Rest, recovery, and nutrition tips. Working out is just one part. To truly grow your glutes, get 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night. Eat enough protein, 1.2 to 2.0 grams per kilogram of body weight. Take rest days seriously. Your muscles grow when you rest. Stay consistent. 3 to 4 sessions a week for 4 to 6 weeks equals amazing results. 30-day glute growth schedule. Week 1 to 2. Focus on form, body weight, and consistency. Week 3 to 4. Add resistance, increase volume, prioritize progression. If you stick to these 5 powerful exercises and follow the tips shared today, you'll see real transformation in your glutes, rounder, firmer, and stronger. Let me know in the comments which exercise you're starting with today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a workout video like this. Here's to strong glutes and better health. See you in the next video.